Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a wine tasting note in Notion, your comprehensive guide for 2025. First things first, you're going to want to create a new template. Go to the sidebar, click on Templates, then New Template. Give your template a name, something like Wine Tasting Notes. This helps us because it allows for a standardized format for all your future tasting notes, making them easy to review. Now that we've done that, let's focus on the template content. What do you need in a wine tasting note? At the very least, you should have fields for the wine's name, the date you tasted it, and your tasting notes. You might also want to include a field for a rating out of 5. The reason we do this is to create a comprehensive record of your wine tasting experience. Next up, we're going to add properties for each of these fields. Click on plus Add a Property, then add the following properties: wine name, date tasted, tasting notes, and rating. By doing this, we're ensuring that every detail of our wine tasting experience is captured and can be easily searched and referenced later. So far, so good. Now let's add some flavor to our template. Notion allows you to add cover images and icons to your templates. Consider adding a visual touch like a wine glass icon or a cover image of a vineyard. This helps us because it makes our notes more visually appealing and fun to create. After that, we're going to add a table to our template. This way, every time you add a new wine tasting note, it'll be automatically added to the table. This helps us because it provides an overview of all your tasting notes and makes it easier to compare different wines. Finally, once you've got your template looking the way you want, all you need to do is click on Save at the top right corner. And voila, you've created a wine tasting note in Notion. Now, every time you taste a new wine, all you need to do is add a new entry in your wine tasting notes template. It's a neat, organized, and efficient way to keep track of your wine tasting journey. And there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide on how to create a wine tasting note in Notion for 2025. You're now ready to start recording your wine tasting experiences with style and precision. Keep exploring and happy tasting. That's it for today. See you in the next one.